This $2 billion project is being built by Iran, and it's trying to bring water across one of the driest places on Earth. It sounds impossible, but it's already happening. This project should not work. Yet it's already transforming one of the driest places on Earth. Bringing water across a massive desert sounds impossible, but engineers are doing it right now. This region receives almost no rainfall, making water one of the rarest resources. The ground is so dry it cracks apart under the pressure of extreme heat. Temperatures here can reach levels that make survival incredibly difficult. Rivers that once supported life have completely vanished over time. Communities are left with limited and unreliable water sources. People often travel long distances just to collect a small amount of water. Agriculture struggles to survive without consistent irrigation. Dust storms regularly damage homes, crops, and infrastructure. Even underground water reserves are rapidly depleting. So engineers came up with a bold solution: bring water from the ocean. The project begins at large desalination plants built along the coastline. Seawater is pulled in through massive intake systems operating non-stop. This water is filled with salt and impurities that must be removed. Advanced filters begin cleaning the water step by step. Then comes reverse osmosis, the core of the desalination process. High pressure forces water through membranes that block salt particles. Salt is separated, leaving behind clean, usable water. Powerful pumps prepare the water for long-distance transportation. But moving water across the desert requires an enormous pipeline. Engineers start by digging long trenches across harsh terrain. Giant steel pipes are transported into position. Each section is welded together with precision. Pipes are carefully lowered into deep trenches. The pipeline is buried to protect it from extreme temperatures. Some sections must cross mountains and difficult landscapes. Bridges and supports are built to carry pipelines across valleys. Pumping stations push water forward across long distances. Valves regulate pressure to prevent damage inside the system. Sensors monitor flow, temperature, and pressure in real time. Inspection drones scan the pipeline for maintenance issues. The system operates continuously, day and night. Water travels hundreds of kilometers through this network. Control centers manage the entire operation remotely. Backup systems ensure uninterrupted water supply. Engineers constantly monitor for leaks or pressure drops. Every section is designed for maximum durability. The pipeline eventually reaches deep into the desert. Water begins its final journey toward isolated communities. Distribution systems direct water to cities and farms. And for the first time, water reaches places it never could before. Communities now have reliable access to clean drinking water. Agriculture begins to thrive in areas once considered barren. Green fields slowly replace endless desert landscapes. Farmers are able to grow crops throughout the year. Cities expand as water supports new development. Industries begin operating where none existed before. Economic growth increases with improved infrastructure. Families experience a better quality of life. Children grow up with access to clean water every day. Entire regions begin transforming into livable environments. The scale of this transformation is almost unbelievable. What was once impossible is now becoming reality. But maintaining this system requires massive energy and cost. The desert environment continues to challenge the infrastructure daily. Sand, heat, and distance all create constant risks. If the system fails, millions could be affected instantly. So the question remains, can this project truly survive long term? Or is this just a temporary solution to a much bigger global problem?